Feeling stuck in a parenting rut? You are not alone. Let's shake things up. Step number 1. Establish a routine. Kids thrive on predictability. Set clear times for meals, homework, and play. Step 2. Turn chores into games. Who can tidy up the fastest? Make it fun. Step 3. Use short focused bursts of time for tasks. A 10-minute cleanup or a 15-minute reading session can work wonders. Step number 4. Empower with choices. Let your child choose between options you're okay with. It builds their decision-making skills. Step number 5. Model calmness. Take deep breaths together during stressful times. It teaches emotional regulation. Step number 6. Positive reinforcement. Celebrate successes with a sticker, chart, or extra story time, not just material rewards. Step number 7. Connect before you correct. Spend quality time together to build a strong relationship. Step number 8. Keep learning. Parenting is a journey. Read, attend workshops, and grow with your child. Remember, effective parenting is about progress, not perfection. You have got this. For more parenting tips, follow us. Together, we can make parenting joyful.